Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with VigLink for automatic affiliate product linking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the VigLink website. Create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, access your dashboard. Look for the option to add your website. Enter your website's URL and click on Add Site. Select the category that best fits your website. Review the terms and conditions, then agree to proceed. Next, head to the Tools section in the main menu. Click on Automatic Link Creation. Choose the option for automatic linking. You will find various settings to customize your linking preferences. Adjust the settings according to your needs. Be sure to enable the automatic product linking feature. This feature uses VigLink's technology to convert regular product links into affiliate links. Once you've configured your settings, save your changes. Now, install the provided VigLink script on your website. If you use a content management system, check if there are specific plugins available. For manual installations, copy the script code provided. Paste it into your website's HTML, ideally in the header section. After saving the changes, give your website a moment to refresh. Visit your site to verify that the VigLink script is working properly. Search for products on your site to see if links are automatically converted. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see affiliate links in action. Regularly check your VigLink dashboard for performance insights. Consider optimizing your content to increase conversion rates. With these steps, you're all set up for automatic affiliate product linking with VigLink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.